Assalamu alaikum class. Hope you all are doing well. Grade 3. Today our topic is articles. You know what are articles? Small words that comes before nouns. Nouns तो आपको already पता है क्या होते हैं. Naming words are called noun. So small words that we used before nouns are called articles. Now we have three articles. These three: a, and, the. A used before consonant sounds and used before vowel sound. Now, you know about vowel sounds. A, E, I, O, U. ये जो अल्फ़ाबेट्स होते हैं ये वॉवल्स होते हैं. इसके अलावा सब जो अल्फ़ाबेट्स होते हैं वो कॉन्सोनेंट्स होते हैं. Here we have example: a cat, a book. ये जो sounds हैं ये consonant sounds हैं. B is also consonant, and an apple, an egg, and R. अब हम ये देखेंगे कि H के साथ N क्यों है. तो इसलिए because H is silent, the sound is R. Okay, vowel sounds के साथ हम N use करेंगे. Now we have this the used before specific things. Now the question is, what are the specific things? Specific things are like the sun, the doctor, the earth, rare things. For example, the name of any river, name of any mountain, the name of any specific ocean are the specific things. Okay, now let me give you some examples with the some activities. Okay class, we have this wall. This is profession wall. Like firefighter, teacher. अब ये सारे प्रोफेशंस है ना, तो हम इन्हें स्पेसिफाई करेंगे. The doctor, the teacher, the farmer, the engineer, the firefighter, the baker. तो हम इन्हें स्पेसिफाई करेंगे. इनमें हम जब इन्हें इन वर्ड्स को हम पोर्ट्रे करेंगे तो हमें आर्टिकल्स में इनके साथ द यूज़ करेंगे. Okay, another example, we have these bottles, jars. So we will use with them a bottle, a jar, a pencil box, a simple box, a notebook. But we will use a with singular, okay, with one thing. Okay, the very last example, we have an egg and ash because they are giving us vowel sounds, so we will use with them and. Okay. Okay class, this was our today's lecture articles. Hope you understand this. Now I will give you a worksheet of these articles. You have to solve it and click the picture and share with us. If you have any of question you can ask. Allah Hafiz student.